X Limited is planning to undertake a project. One second. This is a lengthy question. Let me see. I think there are two situations. Situation one ends over here. Calculate NPV of the project. Okay, so we are required to calculate NPV of the project. X Limited is planning to undertake a project which will have following cash flows. Okay, in million. Year 0, year 1 to cash flows are given. If the rate of return is 10%, calculate NPV of the project. Okay. CF, second, clear work. We have to use CF function to calculate NPV. 500 plus minus, enter, arrow down. 200, enter, arrow down, arrow down. 400, enter, arrow down, arrow down. 250, enter, arrow down. NPV, it's asking for interest rate. 10% is my rate. 10, enter, arrow down. Compute 200.225. So basically 200. However, again we have two options. So should I proceed ahead and solve the second part? Yes, sir. There is no other option alternative we have. Joseph has started investment scheme. One second. What it is asking for? What is the semi-annual compounding rate if maturity value is 6750? Okay, it is asking me to calculate the semi-annual compounded rate. So it is basically asking me to calculate BEY types, I would say. So Joseph has started an investment scheme in which he will pay 200 every month at the beginning of each month. Sir, activate BGN mode first, otherwise you will forget. Second, PMT, second, enter. BGN mode is activated. Okay. 200 every month at the beginning of each month for period of 30 months. Okay, so it has given me a lot of information. 30 is my N, 200 plus minus, because it is investing, Joseph has started an investment scheme, will be my PMT. So negative 200 negative is the PMT. Maturity value is 6750. So 6750 is my FV. PV is 0. What do I need to compute then? I by Y. So compute I by Y. So I am getting 0.749, but there is no option like 0.749, sir, because this 0.749 is monthly rate. Which rate? Monthly rate. And what are we required to calculate? Equivalent semi-annual compounding rate. Now your ultimate formula comes into picture. See, the ultimate formula that we discussed, if you want to go from month to 6 months, from where we want to go, from we are at month, standing on monthly rate 0.749, and where do we want to go? At 6 months rate. So let's use this percent number. It's already there, I by Y on your screen. Just press a percentage button that is there, plus 1. So you get on your screen 1.00749. Y to the power x. Where do we want to go? Recall my ultimate formula. Where you want to go by where you are. So where I want to go, 6. Where am I? 1. So 6 is my basically power 6 equals to minus 1 into 100. So you get a percentage 4.580. However, this is not the end of story. At the end, there was total time in 1 year in timeline. It is in monthly format or other format? It is in monthly format. So total how many months come in 1 year? There are 12 months. So into 12 divided by where you want to go in the timeline. So 6. So divide by 6. 1 second. I think I lost my track. Just a second. Y to the power x power 6 minus 1 into 100 into 12 by 6. So basically into 2. Okay, 9.16% is something which I am getting. Okay, I hope you will all be also getting the same answer. So A is the correct option. Each and every solution and then use of ultimate formula, everything has already been covered over here. I told you the notes that we have created over here helps a lot with recalling each and everything.